Hi, we're Team Grocery Link DC. After conducting extensive research, we discovered that nearly 1 in 5 DC residents lack access to fresh food. This is a major problem and prompted us to look into ways that we can help bring about awareness toward the topic of food insecurity and help create a useful simulation that can show how difficult it can be for people to access a grocery store. In terms of how we gather the data, we grab most of it from Open Data DC. And we also separated DC into tracts. When you hover over a tract, it will display a demographic data about that tract. So for instance, over here, it'll display some demographics. As you can see, food insecure areas are shaded in red. Fully operational grocery stores are shaded in blue, and the green dots are moving and represent and mimic the population of DC. You can also observe the green dots are moving toward blue grocery stores. This will kind of simulate walking from their house to a grocery store and back. And I'll go ahead and show you a quick demo. So as you can see around Catholic University area, it's a food insecure area. So I can go ahead and place a grocery store right here, and it will redirect people walking to other grocery stores and kind of reroute them to their now new grocery store, which is closest to them. And then, as you can see, also in Southeast DC, it's a very prevalent area that's heavily impacted by food insecurity. As you can see, all these people down here have to walk all the way just to get to these two grocery stores right here. So we can go ahead and add a grocery store right here, and it will change the route for these people and cause the routes to be shorter and more convenient for them. In addition to the 2D view, we can also zoom in and get a bird's eye view, almost like a building view, like a sidewalk view. You can see, for instance, this giant in this area where it's placed, and also how people are moving along the sidewalks and roads to get to the giant and walking back home. Ultimately, we strongly believe that our simulation can be used for a lot of good and potentially even be used by lawmakers and urban planners who influence grocery store placement.